Hey, this is Adam Shelton and welcome to my video today. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to get more engagement on Facebook in terms of your business page or even your Facebook profile. You want to pay attention to this message here if you need to get more engagement, more likes, and more comments on your page today. So if this is your first time here at this channel, hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell when I do videos just like this. Now, you know what time it is? It's that time. Let's talk about it. How to get more engagement on your Facebook business page or even on your Facebook profile. Now, right now, I'm on my Facebook business page. And when I first got started out on Facebook in terms of building a business on Facebook, I didn't have certain things correctly set up. And that was the biggest thing. I didn't have a Facebook picture like this. I didn't have a Facebook cover banner that described exactly what I do. And those are two things there that was really missing in terms of getting started. So the biggest thing you want to be able to do, you want to have a picture that's pretty much you're smiling, you're happy, because when people come to your page or your profile or your business page, they want to be inviting. You want to treat your business page or your profile like it's your home. So when you come home, you want to be smiling and happy, right? So you definitely want to be able to be happy. You want to be inviting. You want to be encouraging. So you want to have a picture that you're smiling and that you're engaging. The next thing you want to be able to do is create a cover photo or cover banner that describes what you are. Maybe something lifestyle, maybe something very colorful, maybe something very good. As you see right now, as I'm doing this video right now, there's engagement going on right now. People are commenting and liking the post that I just put on there. And we're gonna go over that here in a few minutes, but I'm gonna go ahead and just show you what I got right now. Let me see that. So basically you wanna go ahead and have a cover banner that describes what you're doing, right? You know, maybe like have a tagline. I teach people how to leverage video and attraction marketing to generate more leads and sales. So when people come to my business page we're on right now, they'll know exactly what I do and how I can help them solve a problem. So if they have problems getting leads and sales, I can help you with that by using video and different marketing tactics and strategies of how to get leads and sales. So that's really cool what that is all about. And the next thing is what you want to be able to do. You want to post things that's inviting that people would want to go ahead and check out. So what I do is sometimes I do a YouTube video and sometimes I share that YouTube video on here, or sometimes I just post information on here that I think people would want to see. So I do videos, I do announcements, things like that. I invite friends to like my page and things like that. And the one thing I do, this is one of the things I did, I actually do a questionnaire. So one of the things I did, I said, fill in the blank in 2020, your main goal is to. Now that gets people, you know, encouraged to answer something. Like, what is your main goal in 2020? That way I can comment, I can actually like what they're doing, or maybe I can solve their problem on exactly what their main goal is. Maybe I have the answer to that problem. So let's make an example. This one person said, James said, make good results in my first year at university. So he wants to have good results at the university. So you know what happens is that the algorithm in Facebook loves engagement. They like when people comment and like and share messages. So when you're posting something and when someone says something, you want to immediately, you know, when you can, reply back, and that's going to help the algorithm in terms of the engagement in your posts and your video, whatever you have out there. And you may have an answer to your problem. Here's more engagement going on right now. That's something I did earlier because I posted something earlier, something that people want to go ahead and engage with. That's going to help the algorithm in Facebook, and Facebook love that. So engagement and likes and comment and shares is what it's all about in terms of getting people interested in your content. So that's what I did here. I kept asking. This person said, get in shape. And I said, awesome. Are you in the community that can give you support? So I'm just basically answering exactly what he's needing. He said he want to get in shape. So I'm trying to encourage him to a group that basically helps you with health, mindset, and also helps you with other tactics in terms of eating well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to basically suggest him join this Facebook group that's going to help him get in shape with his mind and his body. So it's going to be simple questions here that can help you get more engagement on your Facebook business page or your profile. Now, let me go ahead and go to my profile real fast. I'm going to go there really quick here. And profile goes to, so I'm going to go to my profile. And here, okay, so I'm at profile right now. And here, check this out. Here's one of the questions I put down here. It says, question of the week. Have you made at least $100 online? And look at all this engagement. All these people asked a simple question. And I said, question of the week. Have you made at least $100 online? And check out all these people, 48 comments in just in 2 hours. Just in 2 hours, 48 comments in 2 hours on this simple post. And check out all these engagements. Some people said yes. Some people said, yes, I made $1,000. Some people said, yes, I made it. Some people said no. So basically, I can help that person. If that person says no, then maybe I can help that person solve that person's problem. People say yes. A lot of yeses in here. So that's really good. People are making money online, which is a great thing. Some people are not. So we want to help the people who's not making the $100, right? So it's good information. Even the people that's saying they made $100, you can get engaged in a conversation with them and say, oh, okay, what do you do to make $100 online? And you can start a relationship, you can start an engagement, anything like that. So that gets people wanting to respond when you respond back to them. So that's another thing. A good captivating post or engaging post, they call it kind of like a viral post, that getting people to respond to exactly what you have. And here's another example I did. I did a video here the other day. It was talking about a Training Tip Tuesday with Adam. Everything happens for a reason. So I did a Facebook Live that talks about everything that happens for a reason. And we got 51 people like the message. It was just yesterday, really, when this happened, and 196 views. And it talked about pretty much everything happens for a reason. You just got to trust the process. And people came there and they responded to it. So I want to do a topic that happened, that really happened, and something that people can relate to. They can respond to it. So the algorithm on Facebook is like, oh my goodness, I'm getting all this likes and comments and even some shares. You know, that's going to help people see your information a lot more, and it's going to get more engagement on your profile, which you definitely want when you're going ahead. You want to go ahead and build a business in terms of traction marketing or any type of engagement you're trying to do. Let me give you one more thing. Another one was a motivational post that I did. It's no matter what happens today, keep going, you'll do great. This one had 213 likes and also had 4 shares. So this is helping people get through the day. And this is something personal I was thinking about. I was thinking like, you know what, no matter what happens, what you happens today, keep going, you'll do great. And I really believe this message helped people because they respond back to it. They're really, really happy about the fact that they can keep going, they'll do great. And so I want to inspire. So what I'm saying here, when you're wanting more likes, comments, engagement, you want to think about what people are exactly, how you can help people, how you can inspire people, how you can edutainment people with education and entertainment mixed in there. Because that's what people want. They want to be educated, inspired, entertained. You know, they want to be motivated about something, like a post like this. You'll do great. You just got to keep going. 214 people liked it. So this is a couple of things. This is the Valentine's video I did about, you know, grab your free bonus. It was a free bonus. I was giving everybody a free book to helping them out through their day. It was free. It was free. And 54 people liked it. And so many people got the information. So that's all I got, guys, is that make sure to how to get more engagement on your Facebook profile or business page. You want to be able to post things that people want to see or hear, that in terms of inspiring them, motivating them, entertaining them, or educating them as well. So make sure your story-based posts are good. Make sure your posts are simple. Your videos are something that you can really, really relate to, because more people will engage in your information. So that's all I got. Look at that. We're building a one-on-one information right now. We're building a one-on-one relationship right now. So I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to comment down below if you need more information in terms of building up your Facebook profile, because right below this video, I do have a course. There is a course where I learn these strategies in terms of building up your Facebook profile in terms of more engagement. So if you want more information about this, I have a course information right below this video. You definitely want to click on there and sign up for the course, because you'll have your profile engaging in no time with these step-by-step treatments. And this is the same steps I learned to get engagement, which you just saw here. And this course, I even go back over this course a couple of times, usually each month, because it's always something I can learn about. So click on the link below to get signed up, get on that course, build your profile, build your business today with your Facebook profile or even on your business page. So click on the link below to get started, and I'll see you on the next video.